this? What kind of mask is this? Let me try it on. Yes. Have I become VJ? Has the voice become the same? Let me check.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, the voice has become VJ's. Now it'll be fun. Hey, friend, go live, VJ.
Yes. Are these people recognizing me?
What is VJ doing here? Come on, friend.
Mom.
Why are you crying like a girl? No, he's just like that. Let's.
Hit you hard. Well, she's not Simran. She talks too much anyway. Fight so much. You've talked.
Bad about me. Hey, if you're going to talk bad about me, I'll beat you hard. I'll beat you. What are you saying? Hey, I mean, if you're going to talk bad about my responsibility, I'll beat you hard. I'm saved.
How do you take these boys without applying nail polish?
Come on. Who all have done their homework? Yes, sir, I've done my homework. Yes, I've done my homework. I've done my homework, sir. If I make so many mistakes, I'll get caught. It's too late.
But how will I become Simran again? Give it to me.
VJ.
What will I do now? Comment for part 2.
वो देख पतंग का टीचर लूटते। हाँ चल चल।
अरे बेटा तुम भागो मत, तुम मुझसे पतंग ले लो।
अरे दी हमें नहीं चाहिए पतंग, असली मजा तो पतंग लूटने में। चल भाई।
अरे बेटा धीरे।
इतनी बड़ी पतंग, इसे तो मैं ही लूटूंगा।
अरे रुको, आप मुझसे पतंग ले लो।
तुम्हारे चक्कर में इतनी बड़ी पतंग हाथ से निकल गई। तुम्हारी पतंग तुम ही रखो।
अरे रुको, भागो मत, तुम मुझसे पतंग ले लो।
अरे दी सबको पतंग क्यों बांट रही है?
बेटा वो हुआ यूं था, सिमरन का भाई पतंग के पीछे भाग रहा था और उसका एक्सीडेंट हो गया था, तभी वो सबको पतंग लूटने से मना करती है।
ये चाइना की धागा ने, इसे ना ग्लव्स पहन के उड़ाना पड़ता है क्योंकि इससे हाथ कट जाते हैं।
तुम्हारा दिमाग खराब है क्या? जो इतनी पक्की धागा से पतंग उड़ा रहे हो? आप उड़ाओ।
हम तो उड़ाएंगे।
ऐसे नहीं मारोगे ना? ये लो, और अगर आइंदा उड़ाई ना तो मुझसे बुरा कोई नहीं होगा।
ये क्या दादागिरी है यार? ओ भाई सिमरन आ रही है, जल्दी अपनी पतंग उतार। हाँ? आज तो पतंग उड़ाऊंगा।
तुम्हें अलग से समझाओ।
नहीं दीदी, मैं तो नीचे जा रहा था। अबे सब ये पागल से डर क्यों रहे?
भैया वो ऐसी बात नहीं है, हमारे पापा के गले में धागा फंस गई थी जिससे मम्मा पापा का एक्सीडेंट हो गया था और अब वो इस दुनिया में नहीं रहे, तभी से दीदी पक्की धागन से किसी को पतंग नहीं उड़ाने देती।
अरे ये पतंग कैसे कट गई?
His kite also got cut.
Hey, but how are everyone's kites getting
कैसे
cut
कटती जा रही है?
Looks like this kite is flying on its own.
और इसे तो कोई उड़ा भी
been flying it?
How is it cutting everyone's kite like this?
तो मैं बताता हूँ।
This kite has come.
Save me. Save my neck.
What happened to it? After all, will this kite be lost to us?
तुम जो भी हो सामने आओ।
I am the king of birds.
और तुमने हमारे दोस्त को क्यों मारा?
You humans killed thousands and millions of birds with great force. Then you did not feel bad. Now you know what is the pain of losing loved ones.
Simran, you're a new student at this school, but there are rules. Phones aren't allowed in class. You're
रूम नंबर
Not
13
allowed near
पर जाना भी।
routines. Why is
मैं
that?
क्यों?
go to your seats.
Listen,
सुनो,
what's so
मैं क्या इस
special
रूम
about
में?
this room? Have you ever been
अरे
there?
पागल है क्या?
मैंने बोला उतना करो।
है क्या इस
He
रूम?
is in this room. Everyone is afraid to
तो
even
नाम ले
mention
लेते
its name. No one is there. I'll go and see.
सिमरन उस रूम में मत जाओ। उस रूम में चले जाओ।
What?
अरे सिमरन मत जाओ।
This classroom is just like ours.
लेकिन यहाँ पे सब दिख रहा है।
अंदर आ जाओ।
तुम सब कौन हो?
हम सब सिमरन हैं।
नहीं, ये मैं कहाँ फंस गई? सर कटा बहुत। लेग मम्मी।
Not just that, she's trapped forever.
Tell me the truth. Who are you? I'm.
An AI robot, and I look exactly like a human. I've come just to help you. I want a robot like that too.
Really? Come on, Robo. It means you can do anything. Robo. So, answers broken telephone.
Here it is.
ये तो सही हो।
Son, you've made one telephone work. You're very intelligent.
Thank you, sir.
This is a very useful robot. Everyone, bring your projects.
I forgot to
नहीं
bring
भूल
them.
गई।
Take this bulb over there and all.
Understand. Sir, this is my project. Bulb. I can light this bulb with my finger. Wow. Simran, you've done a great job. It's your project. That useless fellow. Learn something from Simran. I'm sure I'll snatch this robot from Simran. Charging mode on. As soon as I put this red chip in this robot, it will wreak havoc on the entire school.
Go wreak havoc on the school.
Where's Robo? Hey, here it is. Alex, you're here. I'm.
Not Alex.
What's his name? Robo here. Robo. No one should be spared. Alex, you have
बदल
changed
गई।
in comment. Robot part 3. You saw Smith burn Simran's robot. It's been a whole year, but I still miss my robot. I still feel like my robot will come through that gate. Robot, don't.
Be too happy. It was completely damaged. I've rebuilt it and given it new life, and from now on, I'm its god. Go, remove those two from my place. Now, this robot will do whatever I tell it to. I think it's erased all of my robot's memory.
मेमोरी मिटा दो।
Robot, clean my shoes.
I have to
कि
restore
मेरे रोबो की मेमोरी वापस लानी हो।
If I get it
ताकि
back, maybe it'll get it
फिर
back.
वापस आ जाए। रोबो, रोबो।
Robot, robot.
Come here.
ये रोबोट
Robot will only help me when Smith isn't around.
You stand here. I'll be right back.
यही सही मौका
Best
अभी
thing. Come on.
फोन दो
रोबो हेल्प करो रोबो ये रोबो को तो कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़
It'll come to
रहा
my
मेरी
rescue.
को बनाएगी तब तो मुझे बचाएगी
You crazy girl. Do you want to
ये
die?
रोबो तो अब भी मुझे बचाने नहीं आया अपना रोबो की मेमोरी
Get my memory back.
रोबो तुम बदल गए हो
I want to make all of you my slaves.
नहीं
How could I hurt Simran? I came here to help her. Now I understand. Simran, someone installed this red chip inside me so that I could harm you. But perhaps they didn't know that I also have memories stored inside me. This robot killed itself on its own. Something drastic would have to be done with it. Wait, I'll fix your injury now.
This
तो
injury.
ठीक हो गई
By the way,
जब मुझे
why were you
तब
feeling
मैं
so
तब
bad when I hurt you? Do you have feelings along with memories?
No, I don't have any such software inside me.
फिर तुम
Why are you blushing
क्यों
so
कर रहे हो
Where am I blushing?
तुम कितने क्यूट हो
I'll take Simran's robot away from you.
तुम कितने क्यूट हो तुम कितने क्यूट हो वाओ
I want a roast like that too.
Well, Simran likes it every day.
हाँ
Sweetie, this robot is so cute. Why does Smith
Nitya,
always keep it in his hand?
This robot is mine. I'll get Simran's as well. Okay.
ये क्या कर रहे हो तुम
Checking to make sure no one gets electrocuted. Is
ये
he?
बुद्धू है
Stupid, he could have electrocuted himself. Hey,
I'm a new admission in this class.
हेलो
Hello.
अरे क्या लोग इधर आते क्या तुम्हारे
you bent my entire arm.
I go to the gym 5 hours a day.
पर किसी इंसान का हाथ इतनी कड़क थोड़ी हो सकता है
Phones to school, so I brought a scanning machine. Come on, everyone.
I
मेरे को
brought a phone to school today too. This scanning machine
तो
will
पक्का पकड़ेगा
definitely catch it.
Your phone won't be caught. Come quickly. Hey, there's noise coming from everywhere on his body. It seems your machine is broken. I'll check it tomorrow. He's
Say, 1 second.
मैं जब से मैं
Scanned you.
मैं तुम्हारी पूरी बॉडी में
Your body. Here,
done, isn't it?
ये
He's.
पक्का
definitely hiding something.
तुम क्या
What
लाए
did you bring for lunch?
बैटरी तुम अपने
Why did you
लंच
bring batteries?
फ्री रख के क्यों लाए हो
I accidentally opened the box. Something.
Wow.
Suman, it's your turn to clean the classroom.
अरे यार
I'll
Clean it while you go.
ठीक है
Start here.
ने तो इतनी जल्दी पूरा क्लासरूम साफ कर दिया
home.
अरे क्या हुआ तुम्हें तुम्हें ही नहीं है बताओ तुम
This is VJ, who is exactly like Ram, and this is his older brother, who is exactly like Ravana. VJ always excels in his studies, but his brother always fails. VJ values food, but his brother, despite being so old, is eating pastries. And he doesn't respect girls at all. There's no one there either. Who will save you from me?
VJ,
विजय प्लीज मुझे तुम्हारे
me from your brother. I can't.
Even speak, he will stop me. I know, but when Ram raises his hand on Ravana, the entire school shakes.
बच्चों कल राखी कंपटीशन है तो सब अपने घर से राखी बनाकर लाएंगे और जो सबसे अच्छी राखी बनाएगा उसके लिए एक सरप्राइज है
ठीक है सर
तो बच्चों सब राखी बनाकर लाए हो
यस सर
चलो आओ दिखाओ
सर ये मेरी राखी
अरे वाह ये तो बहुत अच्छी है सिमरन बेटा तुम्हारी राखी दिखाओ अरे बेटा तुम इतनी उदास क्यों अपनी राखी दिखाओ
नहीं आप आ गए
सब अपने भाई को राखी बांधो लाओ बेटा अरे वाह सिमरन तुमने तो सबसे सुंदर राखी बनाई है
क्या फायदा इतनी सुंदर राखी बनाने का जब इसे बंधवाने वाला तो कोई है ही नहीं
सिमरन राखी पर हर साल मेरे बेटे की कलाई सुनी रहती है क्योंकि इसकी कोई बहन नहीं है
दीदी क्या आप मुझे राखी बांधोगी
Children, all of your brothers and sisters come up from Rocky?
Sir, my brother is coming from London.
Sir, my sister is also a doctor. She's coming too.
Sir, my brother is coming for 5 years, and when he comes, you'll all be stunned. Why? Isn't he a hero? He's
वो
the
तो पूरे
hero of the entire country. My brother is an army officer.
मतलब हमारे स्कूल में आर्मी ऑफिसर आई है भाई
Even taking
मुझे
my
मेरे
calls for
नहीं उठा रहे आप रात
for Rocky.
Sister, you might be able to make Rocky.
मेरे सारे दोस्तों को
I'm telling you.
अगर इस बार आप राखी भी नहीं होंगे ना तो मैं आपको कभी राखी
Sir, he's my brother. By the way, Simran, when will your brother come? Sir, he must be coming soon. Brother isn't even picking up the phone. I don't know if he will. Come on, Simran, your brother.
Yes, Jai Hi.
भैया ये कैसे हुआ
Sister, I lost my
अगर आप एक बार नहीं है ना तो कभी राखी नहीं बांधेंगे
बच्चों आज अपन स्कूल में राखी सेलिब्रेट करेंगे
ठीक है सर
अरे सिमरन तुम्हारा भाई नहीं आया
सर बस वो रास्ते में ही है
ले रहा होगा रास्ते में कोई छोटा मोटा गिफ्ट
तुम जानते भी हो मेरा भाई कौन है वो बहुत बड़ी कंपनी का मालिक है और पिछली राखी पे उसने मुझे आईफोन गिफ्ट किया था और इस बार भी वो मुझे बहुत बड़ा गिफ्ट देगा लो आ गया मेरा भाई भैया जल्दी से मुझे गिफ्ट दो ना।
पहले राखी तो बांधो।
बताओ ना क्या लाए हो इस बार राखी पे।
देता हूँ।
सिर्फ चॉकलेट और कुछ नहीं लाए।
इतना बड़ा गिफ्ट।
भैया इतना छोटा सा गिफ्ट देके आपने मेरे दोस्तों के सामने बेइज्जती कर दी। मुझे तो आपको राखी बांधनी नहीं चाहिए थी। ये लो अपना गिफ्ट। हाँ भैया ये यहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं? हाँ बड़े बड़े होटलों में खाना खाते हैं मेरे भैया।
काम के टाइम खाना खा रहे हो, तुम्हारे आज के पैसे कट सब।
भैया आपने इतना बड़ा सच मुझसे क्यों छुपाया?
मैं नहीं चाहता था जैसी जिंदगी मैं जी रहा हूँ वैसी तुम्हें भी जीनी पड़े।
अरे
Who is this?
तो यार
Friend.
हाँ ये तो वही आदमी है और ये मेरा पीछा क्यों कर रहा है? ले।
No. Hey.
अरे सिमरन बेटा क्या हुआ?
happened? How do I tell me?
कुछ
Nothing.
अरे
Here,
फिर से आ
again.
गया।
But why is he
मेरा
taking
क्यों नहीं रहा है? मुझे नहीं लेके जाती है।
Yes,
Huh?
I survived.
तुम इतनी डरी क्यों लग रही हो?
तुमसे मतलब क्या?
What happened to him?
हाँ हाँ
Stop.
No, ma'am,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
सिमरन क्या हुआ? मैं
Every day when I come to school, a man follows me.
चलो हमारे साथ।
वो रोज
Here every day.
You go ahead. Don't
रुको तुम। ये तो आ गया। मत मारो, मत मारो।
Rod. Actually, she looks like my sister, and she's no more. That's why I wanted to get blocked.
What is this? How did our class become so big? Where will we sit with so much garbage?
Why is there so much noise? Why is our class becoming so dirty? Where is that gardener? The gardener brother went on a 2-day trip. So now we will have to clean it. Now we will have to clean all this. Hey brother, you just mopped it and
अभी वो चल रहा है। थोड़ा कम गंदा करा ये लो।
Simran, sweep it properly.
पर सब झाड़ू लगाना तो कितना
So difficult.
इसे भी साफ
How much time does this work take?
सब तो आपको रखा है।
This is Simran, a newly admitted student, and she's
और
a
ये
very simple and straightforward girl.
ये है
BJ, the principal's son. He's so bossy that all the other students run away from school out of fear. Simran, on the other hand, is a topper in studies, but a complete zero engagement in sports. VJ, on the other
पढ़ाई में
hand, has no interest in studies, but is a champion in sports. Simran is a very timid girl, breaking down into tears over the smallest things. VJ, on the other hand, makes everyone cry. He's not even afraid of the teacher. It.
Seems he's a new student. Let's make today his first day of school his last. Do you have the same prescription glasses? You can see very clearly.
फिर तो तुम्हें नजर ये मैंने
What did I say
क्या
out
बोल
here? You're messing with the principal's son.
मेरा चश्मा
Glasses, you.
Insulted me. Now I'll torture you every day, and you won't be able to leave this school even if you want to. Sir, I
सर
don't
मुझे
play in
स्कूल में
this.
नहीं पढ़ना
What
है।
should I do with this, BJ? Don't go anywhere. Yes.
Comment for part 2.
I mean, maybe I'm a new student. Come on, go.
हाँ मुझे मत मारो मुझे मत मारो।
Oh, my bag just fell.
Son, this is the principal's daughter. Actually, some people are trying to kidnap her. That's why she's so scared. Don't eat this. Did you eat, son? Because, sir, there was glass in her lunch.
Here, eat my lunch.
थैंक यू।
What should I do?
क्या करूं?
What?
What happened to you?
वो मुझे घूम जाना है।
I'll come.
With you. Don't be afraid. It's okay.
You can't go inside. We killed your mom. We're coming to the school to kidnap you.
ऐसा नहीं हो सकता सर मुझे मेरे पापा के पास जाना है।
Please send
मुझे
me.
विजय के साथ भेजिए।
Okay, principal. No matter what happens, don't let my daughter go out of the school. No one should find out that I'm the kidnapper.
Simran finds herself in a world where her IQ is far higher than everyone else's.
Does Simran go to this school? Yeah, our school's Einstein.
Why does it feel to be Einstein? This microphone isn't recording with such a stupid reporter.
This camera isn't even making any sound.
Because they speak into the microphone and record to the camera. This girl is truly an Einstein.
No one here can drink water because she doesn't fill the bottle.
Oh, because you're holding your Now look.
Yeah, don't sound amazing. The water isn't cold. And on top of that, this device won't turn off.
If you turn off the fan, it will stop.
Simran, please dance.
These people are stupid.
Hey, whenever she calls, the sound stops when you answer.
Keep the wires already out. First plug it in, then talk.
A miracle has happened. Stop, man. What kind of illness has struck me? Everything looks blue.
Hey, principal, if you wear blue glasses, everything will look blue.
Now don't run away. You
Don't stop. I'll do something. It's too late.
Breaking news, this girl saved the entire country from a massive fire.